Hi everyone, I'm Nick, one of the certified technicians here at Midland Honda. And today behind me we have this 2020 Honda CR-V, stock number 24-145A. So this vehicle did successfully pass the safety inspection, just meaning that it's all safe and sound to be on the road. So we're just going to give everyone a quick general overview on the vehicle's condition, as well as explain some of the work that was performed. Starting off with the tires here, this vehicle comes equipped with some Continental all-season tires. These tires measured out to about 70 to 75% of their tread life remaining, so plenty of tread in all four tires. Moving on to the brakes, we went ahead and installed brand new front brake pads and rotors on this vehicle. So you can see here, nice and shiny, all new. Moving on to the rears, we performed a rear brake service on this vehicle. The rear brakes measured out to about 65 to 70% of their pad life remaining, so lots of brake pad material left in the rear. Underneath, we made sure that there was no fluid leaks. We also made sure that the exhaust, steering, and suspension components were all nice and tight. So here's just a quick little underview of the vehicle for everyone. See very minimal surface rust, which is great to see. Up top, we made sure to top up all the fluid levels. We also went ahead and performed an engine oil filter change, replaced both the engine and cabin air filters, as well as flushed the transmission fluid on this vehicle. So I'd just like to thank everyone for coming out to check out the Honda CR-V. Again, my name is Nick, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask, and I hope you have a great day.